Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of algebra whose name is Cartesian product, which is used in 11th, 12th, FY, SY, TY standards. Okay, so we discuss about the Cartesian product. Okay, we have already discussed about the products in previous classes which are used to solve the products of numbers. Okay, now we discuss about the Cartesian product of sets. Before we moving on that, this Cartesian product is the product firstly invented by the Rene Descartes. Therefore, the product name is Cartesian product by the name of that scientist. Okay, so what is in this product? This is the product of sets. Okay, it may be 2 sets, 3 sets, or so many sets also. Okay, firstly we discuss about the definition of proper definition of Cartesian product. Okay, firstly we have to consider the 2 sets, okay, which are non-empty. We know that the sets are empty, then there is nothing to do with that. So we have to take the 2 non-empty sets. Okay, let A and B be 2 non-empty sets. Then the Cartesian product S cross T is the set of all ordered pairs ST, where S is belongs to S and T is belongs to T. Okay, thus S cross T is equals to set containing the order pair ST such that S is belongs to capital S, that is set S, and T is belongs to capital D, that is set T. Then here we can see that here is the first element is from the set S, right? From the set S, and the second element T is from the set T. This second element from the second set. Okay, there are 2 methods to solve the Cartesian product. We take an example for that. Okay, for the first method, if they given us 2 sets, let S is equals to in curly bracket A, B, C, curly bracket complete, the S containing the element A, B, C, and T containing this element, the set T is equals to in curly bracket 1, 2, curly bracket complete, that is the set T containing the element 1 and 2. Then this says that to find out T S cross T, the Cartesian product S cross T is equals to what? That we consider the 2 sets S and T. Okay, like this, ABC, S contain the element S ABC and T containing the element 1, 2, right? So firstly we have to find the order pair. The A is paired with 1 firstly, so we get the element A1. Then A is formed the pair with 2, we get the order pair A2. Okay, so similarly like that, B form a pair with A firstly, then form with 2, so we get the pair ordered pair B1. Here is B1, and then B2. Here is B2. Similarly, C form the pair with 1 and 2. That's why we get the order pair C1 and C2. Also, if they ask to find the T cross S, then we find the set. We firstly take the set which is first number. Okay, the set T containing the element 1, 2, and this set S containing the element A, B, C. In the exam, if they ask the T cross S, then we have to take T firstly here, because we have to find the T cross S here. Okay, so we know that the T containing the element 1, 2, So first element of T form the order pair with A. So 1A, then B, so 1B, then C, and then next element 2. 2 is paired with A firstly, form order pair 2A, then with B, form the order pair 2B, and then with C, form the order pair 2C. Okay, which form the Cartesian product, form the Cartesian set of, which form the set of Cartesian product here. Okay, here we notice that each first element is from the set S here, right? The A here, A and B, also C are containing the set S, and all the elements which are in the second place of order pair 1, 2 are from the element from the set T. So order pair says that the all first elements are from the first set and all the second element are from the second set. Okay. Also in second pair also in this case also in the case of also in the case of T cross S, that's a Cartesian product T cross S, the first element or the first element here 1 1 1 2 2 2, we know that all the first element are 1 2 and which are belongs to T, and which is the first set of the Cartesian product here, right? All the first elements are from the T, and all the second elements which are here A, B, C, right? A, B, C, which are from the set S, which is the second set of the Cartesian product A T cross S. Okay, we have to remember that in this case, in the case of Cartesian product, we have to remember that the all first elements are from this first set T. All the first elements are from the first set of the Cartesian product, and all second element of the ordered pair are from the second set of the Cartesian product here. Okay, all the Cartesian product are only depend on these case. Okay, so we conclude here that the all elements of Cartesian product S cross T is not equals to the Cartesian product T cross S, right? Here is element A1, order pair A1, here is 1A, here is order pair A2, here is order pair 2A, which are not same. So all the order pairs are different here. So we get that the Cartesian product of S cross T is not equals to the Cartesian product S T cross S. Now we move on the second method to solve the Cartesian product. So for that we take a same example as we take for the first method. So the example is S. If S is equals to S containing the element ABC and the set T containing the element 1 2, then we have to find the Cartesian product of S cross T and Cartesian product T cross S here. So for the Cartesian product S cross T, we have to take the first set in the we have to take all the element of first set row wise and the all element of second set column wise. So we will get the Cartesian product of respective sets. So in the here we put the set S, which is the first set containing the element ABC and the T containing the element 1, 2 here. Okay, so first element form the order pair with 1 that we get. So we get the order pair A1, then A2, then B with 1, B1, order pair B1, B with 2, we get order pair B2. For C form the order pair with 1, which is order pair C1. Then C form the order pair with 2, we get the order pair C2. So Cartesian product S cross T containing the elements, the order pair A1, A2, the order pair B1, the order pair B2, the order pair C1, the order pair C2. Also similarly, for Cartesian product T cross S, there is a change in condition here. The first element, we have to take a first set here. The all elements of the first set is row wise and the element of second set is in column wise. Okay, so we will get the all order pairs of the Cartesian product. So one here is elements of T are 1, 2 and S are A, B, C. So one form the order pair with A, we will get the order pair 1A, then order pair B, the order pair 1B, then 1 with C, that is order pair 1C. Then to form the order pair with A, that will be get, so we will get the order pair 2A, then order pair 2B, then we will get the order pair 2C. So we form the set of Cartesian product here by putting these all order pairs here. So the Cartesian product T cross S is 1A, order pair 1A, order pair 2A, order pair 1B, order pair 1C, order pair 2B, order pair 2C. So here we conclude also all the elements of Cartesian product S cross T are different from the all elements of order pair. All the order pairs of this T cross S are different. So S cross T, that is Cartesian product of S cross T, is not equals to the Cartesian product T cross S here. Okay. To better understand, now we take a next example, which is A containing the element AB, B containing the element PQ. Then we have to find the Cartesian product A cross B. So we use the second method, that is tabular form. By tabular form, the all elements of the set A we put in a row wise and all element of second set B in column wise. So we will get the order pairs of respective Cartesian products. That is A form the order pair with P. So we'll get the order pair AP. Then A with Q, we get the order pair AQ. Then B order pair BP. Then order pair BQ. So hence we will put out the all order pairs in the Cartesian product set. So we will get the set of Cartesian product A cross B is equals to, in curly bracket, order pair AP, order pair AQ, order pair BP, order pair BQ. That's the Cartesian product we can solve easily by the tabular form also and by the first method also. Okay. Here is homework for you. If any query about this topic, then comment it down in comment box. And if you like my video, then click the like button and subscribe my channel to get more videos